Today we had the grand finale of the sustainability case competition between Roskilde Festival and the VELUX group.
We want to deliver on sustainability, and Roskilde Festival, they are engaging a lot of young people, so the match of us being together is actually pretty perfect.
We had 10 groups of students who built up their proposals to how you can do circular chill. The winning proposal is called KNAD.
So our project here is a bench, and it's built up of primarily two modules, which are constructed out of tree, just from pallets, and this one can expand out in different shapes and forms, whatever you like, and can accommodate different social settings. Contributing to the sustainability of Roskilde Festival and sustainability in general has been fun, and is also something we would like to support going forward with both Roskilde and the world in general.
One of the winners from last year in 2022 have brought their proposal, but in the meantime they have formed a company making chairs for festivals, and that goes to show that there is a demand, that the students are able to fill the demand, and they are able to actually make it work in practice.
I don't think that this chair and our company would have been happened without the sustainability challenge. We got all these interviews and we've been on TV as well because of this competition. It's amazing to be a part of, and there's a lot of people that would like to know your idea and hopefully get it out there in the future.
The students have an approach which they bring from their studies, but also from their own interests. It makes me feel very confident about the future.